Hello, my name's Roy Elsie. I'm Chief Analyst at Omdia. What I want to talk to you about for the next couple of minutes is IT operations on what's going to happen in 2022 and beyond. The key point about 2022 is that IT operations has been seen to be the agile, flexible, and driver of business that it always intended to be. But the pandemic, for all its ills, actually demonstrated that if you have the right IT infrastructure and you have the right IT operational processes and procedures, you can deliver and you can change at the speed the business needs to. And many businesses did that. But what they've got to do in 2022 and beyond is tweak and modify and transform what they do and how they do it to make it more efficient, more effective, and put it on a much more professional and predictable level. So in 2022, we're going to see them change the way, or we're going to start to see, because culture takes a long time to shift. We're going to start to see the breakdown of the silos. We're going to start to see the introduction of technologies like AI ops, more DevOps, DevSecOps, Cloud Ops, FinOps, all these ops terms. What they're meaning is we're changing what and how IT operations relates to the business. We're changing what and how IT operations do. And these are just tools to help the people do the work better. Because we are now in a world that is very, very hybrid. We have got everything from mainframes to serverless computing running in the cloud. And that environment, IT operations have got to support. And they've got to support change. And the change will be happening at different speeds across all of those different environments. We'll be using different technologies. Cloud native is definitely on the rise. Virtual machines are still really important. They're not going to go away, as is the data center. The cloud isn't going to mean the end of the data center. Hybrid cloud, the public cloud in the data center, is critical, and that is driving. And the rise of the edge. Edge computing is something that has been talked about and will eventually become a key part of most organizations' strategy. And then finally, what we've got is environmental sustainability. Everybody watched COP26 in Glasgow last year, and all the announcements that were made about what governments are doing to cut carbon emissions and make sure they're net zero by 2030, 2035, 2040, depending on which country you're in. But what we are going to see is you're going to see that will definitely drive change in operations, because they will be the guardians of that. And finally, dealing with the skills shortage. How are we going to deal with the lack of skills as technology evolves? That's through the use of technology itself and embedding that in the AI principles in the processes that operations will follow. So 2022 is going to see the start of transformation. And maybe, just maybe, we might change the name of IT to be Digital Services and Solutions, which more reflects what you actually do. If you want to read more, this is from my Trends to Watch 2022. There's plenty more on the Omdia website. So thank you for listening and have a good day.